let's look at some vocabulary words. Paying with bank cards. So you have a bank card from the bank ready to spend money. It's got money on it, but let's look at some words. So PIN, for example, personal identification number. Personal identification number. So when you put the card into something like a terminal, little box, put the card in, you type your PIN in. What that number could be is anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Or 5, 8, 3, 9. Could be anything. It's a 4-digit password. 4-digit password. How cool is that? Personal identification number. Very important. Don't want to forget it. And then you have cashier. So you're at the bank. The person, well, and if you're in a shop, you want to buy something, the person that you're buying it from is the cashier. This is £10, please. And you give them the card and you pay them, the cashier. Then you have a Cashpoint or an ATM, automatic teller machine. You want to withdraw cash, withdraw. You want to withdraw cash from an ATM or Cashpoint, you can. Some are free, some will have a fee. It will cost you £1.50 to withdraw. It'll cost you £1.50. Yeah. So cashier, Cashpoint, ATM, nice. Then we have credit card. Now, interesting bit of financial juggling, financial chicanery here. Credit card, a way of spending money on a credit card, which is APR related and fees and protection. And you get something what's called Section 75. Section 75 protection. Yeah. So you have more security with a credit card than you would with just a debit card. And a debit card is an account with the bank that you put money in, you deposit. We had withdraw, and now we have deposit. So withdraw, to take money out, is I'm taking it, and deposit is to put money in. Deposit money in a debit card, debit account, then withdraw the money. Withdraw the money from the account. Makes sense? Yeah. So debit card, you only spend what's in the account. Credit card, you build up credit with the bank and you spend what they let you spend, and there's often a fee associated with that. APR, annual percentage rate, and you pay monthly how much is outstanding. Outstanding, like what is left? What is left? Outstanding. How much is left? £100? Then it has to be paid off. The minimum fee. And then we have receipt. So the receipt, when you buy something from a shop with the cashier, they give you a receipt, a proof of purchase. Proof of purchase, meaning that you paid for this. Here's how much you paid, with who and when, which company, how much, when did you pay it, what is it? It's a receipt, proof of purchase, evidence. Here's proof that I paid for this. And purchase, buying something, to buy. Yeah. Then we have transaction, an exchange really, a transaction. I paid £10 for that, one transaction. I paid £1 for that, second transaction. I paid £20 for these. That's the third transaction. Is what you bought when. What you bought. What bought when. I bought this on a Monday for £1. I bought that on a Tuesday at £3. I bought that on Friday at £10. What was bought and when? Then we have terminal. The little box you put the card into when you go to pay for things, the debit or credit card. You put the card in and you type your PIN in. PIN, personal identification number. Boop, 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 boop. Approved. How cool is that? So, PIN, personal identification number. Cashpoint, ATM. Debit card. Credit card. Debit card. Receipt. Fee, what you have to pay sometimes to withdraw money. Transaction. And terminal. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep learning.